Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I hope things get better. Happy New Year! Merry Christmas! What a whirlwind of a month. I'm just now getting back into the groove of things. I had taken a little hiatus, so you will be seeing some older videos. I apologize for that, but I just took a break. There's been so much stuff going on the internet, on the interwebs, whatever have you. It was bringing my energy down, and I was feeling it. I would go to work, come home, go to bed. The time that I was off I took about 2 weeks off of work. I also took 2 weeks off of being on the internet. I mean, I got on live streams and stuff, but it's just been something. So we'll talk about it later when I'm doing it. Get ready with me. And it is still the holidays. We celebrate until January 6th, which is Reyes Magos. And that's why I have my holiday hat on. So I know the Bears did terrible this season, but it is what it is. There's always next season, right? Go Bears. And so we are going to do an Lip Monthly unbagging. This is for December of 2019. So we're gonna go ahead and unbag this. I did get this later in the month. I believe I received it about the 20th. I'm not sure, but I did receive it in the middle of the month. And like I said, I was not feeling too good, so we're doing it now. But if you sign up for Lip Monthly for January, you can try the first bag for $5 using the code 5JAN. I will list that here, and I will also list it in the description box. So it is $12.95 a month, like I said, 4 full-size products, free shipping. If you sign up for a 3-month, I got my little notes, 3 months, it is $38.85 for 3 months, and you can get your first bag for free, typing in 1 free. Again, I will list the codes pop up, so you can do that. And that also has 4 full-size products, and shipping is free. So I believe they charge a tax with it as well, so your state may charge a tax. And then there's an annual subscription, which is $155.40. You can get your first 3 bags for free, typing in 3 free. Again, I will put the code there, and it is also has free shipping. What else? Oh, and then there's a Lip Monthly Plus, and that is a monthly subscription. It is a limited time only. You can get the first bag for $10. It's normally $19.95 a month. You get your first bag for $10 using the code FIRST10, and you get 6 to 7 full-size products, and it's a variety of lippies and also beauty essentials. So I will list everything in the description box down below, so if you want to sign up, again, your first bag is $5. So let's see what it is in here. Lip Monthly. You get a little card, and well, I actually opened this a little while ago because I wanted to make sure what month it was, so I didn't look like a fool when I was unpacking it. So this comes inside of here. This is the December 2019, and there's the little card there, and it says, this month we're walking in a winter wonderland. Welcome to the December 2019 bag. As we shift into the Christmas season, the little elves at Lip Monthly have been busy curating an amazing December bag. This month we've included an amazing lineup of products from some of our favorite brands. And that's the back of the card. So this is cute. So the bag matches the little card, and it does say Lip Monthly on there. And let's open it. It's a cute bag. I mean, it's not like the best bag. You could tell it's like a little cheesy bag, but it's still nice. It does what it's supposed to do, right? It's supposed to hold your stuff. So we do have 4 full-size products, and actually I didn't open any of them, so I don't know what they look like, but let's go ahead and try these out. So the first thing I'm going to open is Sorme Treatment Cosmetics All Day Smooch Proof a Lip Stain, Precise Longwear Smooch Proof, and the color is Fatal. Ooh, fatal. Okay, let's open it up. Of course, with or without nails, I can't open anything. Okay. Let's see. Well, that's the packaging. Being stingy, not showing it off. Let's see. Okay, this is nice. It says Sorbet Treatment Cosmetics, Beverly Hills. I'm actually going to keep all of these little lip thingies, so I'm going to open this and see what it is. It's made in Germany, distributed by Sorbet Cosmetics, Beverly Hills, California. Fatal LSN02. Oh, okay, that's the tip. I'm not fond of lip stains, but we'll try it out. Oh, it's actually a nice color. I mean, I do like them. I think this is more for the summer, but that's the shade there. Oh crap. There it is. It is nice. And with lip stains, you could just put it on and it pretty much just stains the lip and it stays on for a very long time. So I'll be trying this out. The next item is Hikari, and this is Cabernet Jessie. And that is the box. It is cruelty free. Was this one cruelty free? No, it doesn't say cruelty free. It just says please recycle. No, not cruelty free, but this one is. And let's see what this is. Cabernet Jessie. Ooh, this is actually pretty. I like this color. That's the color. I like this a lot. Let's see. It is creamy, which I like. That's the color there. It's actually pretty nice. I like that. I like that color a lot. I noticed I got a couple of these in some stuff. I can't put on the top. Okay, there we go. That's pretty color. And that's in Cabernet. I don't know what the Jessie part is, but that's Jessie. And then this is Cargo Cosmetics Swimmables Longwear Eyeshadow Stick. Oh, okay, cool. We have an eyeshadow stick. And this is in Morro Bay. And let's see. And I haven't put on any makeup. This is like the first time in a very long time that I've actually put on makeup. I have just been bumming it. Oh, this is pretty. I don't know if I'm going to keep this though. That's the color there. I don't think I'm keeping this. I'm not too fond of cream eyeshadows. I don't know. I just don't like it. And I got out my fingerprints all over it. So that is, yeah, I don't think I'm keeping it. So it's called Swimmables Longwear Eyeshadow. And if I do, I'll be testing it out in one of my videos. But I don't think I'm going to keep it. Swimmables, does that mean that it's like waterproof maybe? I don't know. It doesn't say. And then the last thing is EV10 Beauty or Evio Beauty Creamy Lip SPO Liner. It doesn't say about anything about being cruelty free. And ooh, okay. That's the stick there. I like this. Oh yeah. Oh, I like this stick a lot. It's very, very, very pigmented and very creamy. So those are the three, and then we received an eyeshadow. So not bad. So if you want to get your first bag for January, it costs you $5. You just put in the code. I will list other codes in the video, so you can, if you want to go ahead and give it a try. And again, if you sign up for the 3 months, you get the first. So that means if you sign up, was it 3 months? Let's see. I don't know what the prices are on these because they don't have like pricing for any of these, but they're not bad for a $13 bag. Says 3 months, $38.85. The first bag is free for one free. So that means you get 4 bags for the price of $38.85, so that's $10 a bag. And then if you sign up for your annual subscription, it says get your first 3 bags free. So that means you get 15 months worth for $155. It's still kind of good. Or if you want to try the Lipmonthly Plus, your first bag will be $10 and it's first 10, and you get 6 to 7 full-size products, lippies and beauty essentials, just like something like we got. That's not bad for $10 to get 6 to 7 full-size items. And I mean, you can get one bag and then cancel. It's up to you. Or maybe just get 2 bags and then cancel. They make great gifts, you know. My heater just popped on. They make great gifts like for birthdays and stuff, or you could, you know, giveaways, whatever. So again, thank you for hanging out with me. I'm truly appreciative. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me, guys. Happy New Year. It is 2020, new year, new me. Yeah, so cliche. But it's budget season, so like I said, I'm not buying any new makeup, but I will receive gifts. My birthday's in 2 months, so thank you all for being here. I am so grateful for all of you. I am so sorry I have been away for so long, but I am back, so I can't wait to start making my videos, going live again, and just being here and talking to all of you. So until next time, Hasta Laterz.